how to use Instagram Map. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the new Instagram Map feature. So let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram, then tap on the DM section on the top right, and you'll be able to see the map option. If you don't see it, make sure to update to the latest version of Instagram. Then just tap on the map, and then you can see the gear icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it, and then you can toggle on the location services, so you can choose to share it with all of your friends, close friends, or only friends that you have selected. So just tap on it, and then you can choose the friends that you want to share it to, and then just hit done. Now tap on share location, and then there you go. Now you have started sharing location with the person that you want to. You can add more friends if you want to, and you can even request your friend's location. The request has been sent. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.